Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video. And in today's video, we will be checking out the Koenigsegg Gemera, and now this time it has been released in this awesome metallic yellow color. I would say it's more to like a lemon yellow-ish color, which looks pretty cool. Now this is the Koenigsegg Gemera, number 4 out of 10 from Hotwheels Exotics, and number 188 out of 250. So let's go ahead and open this one up. We've seen this car released in its first color, which is in I believe gray, metallic gray, and then is there a second color? I'm not entirely sure. Oh yeah, there is. It's actually orange, I believe. There was an orange color, there was a gray color, and now they've released it in yellow. And that's actually another color, which I already have, but I won't be reviewing it in this video. It is in red. The next color will be in red. That's a hint for you. That's in like the A case of 2024, I believe. But yeah, we'll stick to the yellow one, which is in this awesome looking lemon sort of yellow color, which looks great. I mean, technically speaking, it's awesome in yellow, to be honest. Like, combination with the, if it's in real life, it would be a great combination with the brown leather interior, if I'm not mistaken. And if you like if you were choosing like the Koenigsegg Gemera type of color, I would say you could go for the gray that the first color released, or maybe orange. I'm not entirely sure. The orange does look a bit weird for the car. I mean, it's a 4-door hypercar, so you would choose either gray, white, black. You wouldn't like choose any brighter colors, but still yellow is a fine looking color, not gonna lie. If you were to choose red, that would be awesome. Red is a great color choice. The production running model actually is in sort of like that teal green color. It's not really teal, more to green metallic color. I don't know how to describe the color, to be honest. It's more to like that green, specific green color, which yeah, it looks awesome on the stage when they first like showed the production model. It looks great. Hopefully Mattel would release that in after the red version releases. Hopefully they'll get that specific color of it. But yeah, now we're sticking to the lemon yellow type of color. Here it is. So yeah, let's take a look at the car itself. Of course, it has all of the details basically. Starting off from the side, we have the blacked out 10-spoke rims, which looks awesome. 10-spoke rims on any like hypercar type of car basically just looks awesome with it. I mean, just judging by the like looks of it from the side, it looks very sporty and very nice for a hypercar like this. So yeah, the side looks pretty clean. You do have like air vents on the side as well. Overall very sick, not gonna lie, I do really like it. And yeah, you have the massive door as well right on the side right here. Moving on to the front, we do have the headlights right there, which are detailed and colored. Koenigsegg logo, the front bumper, I mean the front grille, sorry, front grille, not the bumper. Front grille, and also the front splitter, which is interesting right there. The front bumper is actually plastic connected to the base, just if you're wondering. Interior wise, yes, you have this massive plastic. Supposedly this should be the windshield, but then it's connected with the door as well, which is interesting. Same goes for the roof, the small sunroof actually connected to the back. And yeah, that's for the top. For the hood, you do have some hood vents right here as well. Hood intakes right there, which is nice. Roof, of course, like I said, you have that sunroof, which is not really tinted. Oh yeah, it has a black interior, by the way. Here is the other side, if you are wondering. Not much of a difference. Moving on to the back, you do have the detailed rear lights right there, which looks awesome. You have this tiny rear lip, which is cool, and also that amazing ghost logo that Koenigsegg has been using for the past couple of years, especially for Koenigsegg, because it's to resemble their fast cars that they've been making for the past years and years to come as well. So here is the back. Basically, you do have rear diffusers. Do you have an exhaust? Where's the exhaust? I don't really see the exhaust, so I'm not sure where it is. No rear license plate, if you're wondering. And yeah, that's basically all for the back. Moving on to the base, black plastic base, if you're wondering. Koenigsegg Gemera, made in Malaysia, 2021 Mattel. Overall, yeah, I recommend this color. The color looks great. I mean, basically, I recommend all of the colors, and I'm gonna say the same thing for the red one. I mean, I love the gray one. The gray one looks stunning. That's like the original base color, like when they launched, like I guess the trailer, I don't know. And then it released in orange, which orange is not too bad. I mean, one of my favorite colors, so yeah, props to that as well. And then they released this in this lemon yellow, I would say. It's not bad, it's pretty good. I mean, Koenigsegg rarely releases cars in yellow colors, basically Mattel too. They don't really release Koenigsegg's in this sort of like color, in this paint scheme or anything. Normally, I believe Lamborghini likes to release in this type of color for like their, I don't know, like hypercars or so. Not really for McLaren or Lamborghini. I mean, McLaren or Bugatti or anything. But yeah, overall it's not too bad. The color looks great. The whole car is awesome, fantastic. But yeah, there we go. That's my review of the Koenigsegg Gemera, now in yellow. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.